Today on the channel, I'm going to be reviewing a future build. I know I've done some of these reviews before and I've got a pile of model kits I am desperate to make. This is the Polar Lights AMT, is it Polar Lights or just AMT? No, just AMT. U.S.S Excelsior NX 2000. Hi guys, Ralph here. So, the model kit on here, this is from the Search for Spock. You can do, apparently, all versions of Excelsior from this. I want, and one of my ships in Star Trek Online, because now I can talk about that. Because before it's been, oh, this is one of the ships from Star Trek Online, and I don't know what it is, because I haven't played it. Although I've been playing quite a lot. I did get the skin for a fleet ship, which is this, with the NX 2000, with the, pre-modification to the Sulu era. And you put it on a T6 skin, T-ship for, is it the Venture class? And you've got basically the NX 2000, which I actually have the NCC 2001, the U.S.S Ingram. There is blueprints out there for this, which is the Ingram 2001. Does actually work for me. It's a nice enough ship, but the Enterprise F kicks its bum anyway. So looks like we've got a base, we've got, includes dome support, yes, we've got loads of decals. Doesn't think it comes with a pack for the Aztecian. So you can do detailed shuttle bay. Never understood if that is actually a shuttle bay or not. Actually, I need to get this bag off because it's annoying me. All fresh shrink wrapped. But this is why I do this, so I can show you guys what's inside. And then we get round to building the thing. We get rid of glare. So I never understand, that's a shuttle bay, but the back of here is a shuttle bay, or is it? Have you got, I'd say it's more of a cargo bay, but it kind of, it's weird and it lights up inside. But that's what I want to do when I make the model kit, is light up as much as I possibly can. So rear weapons array, like big torpedo launched in the back. You can do, this is the differences between both of the kits, right? Your bridge, massive bridge dome, singular impulse crystal, and the viewing port at the back of the shuttle bay. This one, smaller to scale bridge, 2 impulse crystals there just because, and then this weird sort of gubbins between. So they're the main differences between it. There will have been something. There has to have been something. Whether or not these are one full piece, and then that's a one piece, I don't know, but we'll find that out in a few moments. So yeah, you can do it between Star Trek 3, which was the NX 2000, or the NCC 2000 from... That's the NX. NX was on Star Trek 3. You saw it in Star Trek 4. Did you? You did, because end of Star Trek 4, you saw the beginning of Star Trek 5, did the beginning of Star Trek 4? But so it has been in everything, but NCC 2000 was in, Star Trek 6, basically. So inside we have got some clear parts, the tops of the nacelles. However, we did see this flash just the once, and I'm more making the NX 2000 than the NCC. So get NCC out of your head completely. The top parts on this were black. I know, they were the blue. No, they didn't glow up. Back then it was these side bits which would have glowed up only, but it didn't, because these are going to be painted black. Why have a clear part and a part that doesn't glow? I don't really know. So we have the deflector dish from the front of the ship. We have, is that? I don't know if that's a bridge dome or not, but there's some more clearer parts. 2 smaller ones. Is that the thicker one, the one on its own, and that's something different? It's like the same size as the deflector. There's instruction for that. Nice small base, nothing over the top. Comes with a plug. Where's the piece of metal stand to go on it? I don't know. We have this bag here with, looks like the pylons for the back of the ship. Nacelle, one nacelle there. That part goes underneath this part for this part here. Other detailing parts and the neck section, or 2 parts of the neck section, 3rd parts there. One of the shuttle bays. So actually that is, no, it's the back part on here that changes, whereas they don't. No, for any extra parts, that's part of the inside. The deflector dish. That is the cargo bay, because you see that bit in there. Next part we have, well, there's a big bit as well. See, the pack is way too much in a bag. The top section of the secondary hull, the bottom section of the secondary hull. So that part will be torpedoes there. Right, so this is the interesting part now. We have, actually, what the hell is that? We have the saucer. This nice little saucer, a little bit too, as usual, there's too much definition on the markings on here. I might see if I can get a Aztec pattern for this. If not, oh, whatever. But you've got a big hole there for either of the bridges. Big hole there, which I think probably then is left as is. And then you put the crystal in the middle. But you must be able to drill out two or something. Is it? Ah, it's that. I think that might go over the top of this. Because it all marks in there. But what on God's earth is that part there? There's a metal strut for the stand. Great, great. I'm actually confused. Really am confused. So I need to see what that part there is. Is it? It can't be the underneath of the saucer, because that's inside there. That's what he built onto it. That. Can it cover? Does it cover everything? Is that the impulse dome? That can't be the impulse dome. So we have either that or that, with the two nacelles or one that goes over the top. So I was right on that. The bridge is either that or that, which that isn't. Number 2, number 3, 4, 5. Aha! It's the shuttle bay. Okay, so the shuttle bay, this is on the top. So you put the shuttle bay on, unless it's not a shuttle bay on this. The shuttle detail as parts 21, 22 included as a bonus feature in order to view the shuttles in hangar bay doors will need to be cut out. What? Oh, that's a shuttle bay inside. So does that go and then covers over and you can see the interiors? I don't think so. But that is definitely for that. But then how does the whole lot of this covers over? Oh, you dumbass. Right, got it. I know somebody's screaming at me. Definitely somebody's screaming at me. These are shuttles. This is the full interior. You see this out of the back end because it's all covered over by that part. And then inside, if you cut away the doors to make it open, you'll see two shuttle bays. It's all mounted on, so you can't get these off, but two little shuttles are right there. So if you open up the shuttle bay at the back, you will see there's a windows here, and there's bits over here, and there's two shuttles sat doing absolutely nothing. Whereas the other piece there from Star Trek 6 has one shuttle and a different interior bay, what you'll see. And then the opposite side, when this, where is the other part? Shuttle bay, must be on one of the other bags. That covers over most of the front and then exposes the back. Okay, so that's pretty clever to do that, to be honest. Nice. Well, so clever. Right, last part, and I need a pair of scissors. I ain't got a pair of scissors, so I'll use my trusty blunt scalpel. Remember, if you're going to use a scalpel, kids, make sure it's blunt so you don't hurt yourself. I really need to change that. I've done quite a few things with that lately. None of them model making. So, let's have a quick look inside here at what decals or whatever you get. So we have some for the windows, which I'll be drilling out anyway. Full NCC 2000 or NX 2000. So that's good. Bars on the side of the yes, saucer section. Bars on the side. Plenty of markings, red markings that usually go from. If these are on the top, it kind of goes round, well, round the back to the bridge. Once for the nacelles. Plenty of windows in case I don't want to drill it out. The neck bit round there. The impulse crystal or the deflected dish, I think that probably is. Yeah, lots of detailing, but no Aztecing. And I will look before I build this about Aztecing and see if there's any big options out there. I did do the Aztecing for the Enterprise B a long time ago, so that it is available. Some kits for the Aztecing are shockingly bad. They're terrible. But some of them are pretty good. But you have to just be careful, because if you soak it for too long, then it just balls us up. Now that's never going to shut properly, because I can never package things that go away better. Well, that's not bad. I had a problem when I did the 350 scale Enterprise original series. I could not get the things back in the box properly to put the lid on. Luckily, the partner figured it out quite easily. So yes, this will be a future project. This will be, I'm looking forward to doing this as this, and I'll probably get down the Enterprise B to do a comparison afterwards. But yeah, the NX2000 is what I will be doing sometime in the future. But again, this is just an unboxing, so you know what you're getting if you get one of these. These are still pretty much available anyway, but kind of weird how you got Kirk in the corner. I know it's his era with the Monster Maroon. Should have really have been Sulu in the corner, or Captain Styles maybe. So cool as. And plus when we do the dish as well, it's got to be blue, but there's got to be a yellow dot in the middle. So I'm not sure how to do that. Probably put a yellowish LED behind and then just paint this blue so it will glow blue, but not in the middle. Don't know. We'll figure that out when we get around to it. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe, follow me on social media, consider being a Patreon, consider being a donator. So, and a big like would be really good. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye for now.